Now we are going to see, that is the important question, one of the here. What is that question? Preparation shall see added from the phenols. Or another type of question, explain Riemann-Tiemann reaction or Kolbe reaction. Very important question. This is the for the intermediate or degree level also very important question. Here what is the Riemann-Tiemann reaction? Phenols, here phenol react with the chloroform CHCl3 and NaOH to form orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is known as Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So phenols react with the chloroform and NaOH, so to form the orthohydroxybenzaldehyde ferrohydroxybenzaldehyde formation. So practice this reaction. So what is the mechanism? We are going to observe chloroform CHCl3 is the formation. For our convenience, write down like this here. OH is there. That is the H is relieving each place and OH adding water formation CCl3, carbon ion formation. So that is the one negative lone pairs we are to taking. This is the structure CCl3 3. So rather than say one relieving the chlorine atom Cl minus means that is the CCl2 here. Dichlorocarbon is the neutral electrophile is the formation. Next we are going to observation of phenol. Phenol like this, write down phenol OH is there. So here formation of phenol treating with the OH minus. So H plus relieving, that is the H plus OH minus, that is H2O removal of here phenoxide ion is the formation. Yeah, next mechanism here we have to phenoxide ion react with the dichlorocarbon here. So phenoxide ion, these lone pairs come to this side and these electrons coming from this is the negative charge is the formation. This negative charge react with the neutral electrophile. So same as it is compound here, double bond taking place here. H already in inside is there, that is the HCCl2. So what is the H2O is there here. In that H2O here, H plus electrons giving this side, this electron goes to the oxygen side here. This is the structure we have to see here. So what is happening here? H1H is added to this carbon atom. O minus taking place. This H coming from this area. CH here, CH here, Cl is there. That point you have to remember here. Next step we are going to see here. Which one? Minus H plus is there. CH here, CH, Cl is there. This is the two atoms. Previous same manner here. That is the minus H plus means H plus removal. This is the taking place. Here H2O hydrolysis, one hydrogen atom added here. CH, Cl, O minus phenoxide. Treating with the base here. These electrons giving to the in between the CH and O, here removal of OH minus, H plus OH minus, H2O removal, CHO is the formation. CHO is the formation phenoxide and previous manner. So we are going to adding the water in H place added. So finally orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is the formation. Orthohydroxy benzaldehyde, benzaldehyde is the formation. Orthohydroxy, this is the major compound, this is the substitution compound. I have to remember that is the mechanism most important. Do practice many times here. What is the Riemann-Tiemann reaction? This is the statement reaction. This is the mechanism you have to remember like this. What are the taking place steps? Very important. Next we are going to taking, that is the Kolbe's reaction. Here Kolbe reaction, what is the Kolbe? Phenol react with the carbon dioxide gas at 6 to 7 atmosphere pressure and 120 to 400 degrees temperature in the presence of NaOH to give orthohydroxybenzoic acid. phenol treating with the carbon dioxide and NaOH, applying this condition to form the orthohydroxybenzenoic acid, that is the salicylic acid. The major component is the ortho position, orthohydroxybenzoic acid is the formation. Let us take the mechanism here, that is the phenol NaOH H2O is there, phenoxide is the formation, that is the phenoxide ion formation. Phenoxide ion formation mechanism. H, here OH minus, removal of H2O, phenoxide ion is the formation. Mechanism phenoxide ion, this electron coming this side, this electron comes to other position, negative charge. We are using the carbon dioxide for our convenience, like this, write down carbon dioxide. This electron comes to the carbon atom, this electron goes to the oxygen side. What is the taking place? C double bond O, one is the minus, CH is there, minus removal of H place here. This type of this electron coming this side, and again this electron goes to the O minus, and adding the H plus here. OH coming from this to this side. OH is the formation. C double bond O minus. Further hydrolysis for the hydroxybenzoic acid is the formation. Here what is happening? 2-3 times you have to do practice the mechanisms. Most important question, that is the Riemann-Tiemer and Kolbe reaction. What is the major compounds? What are the mechanisms are involving? That point you have to, here mechanism 2-3, almost you have up to 5 to 10 times you have to practice need here. Mechanism most important in degree level. What are the primary compounds and what is the compound formation, that also very important here. Phenols, just we have to see here, are the hydroxybenzaldehyde and Kolbe reaction. So are the hydroxybenzoic acid is the formation, that point you have to observe.